Hello kids, in class 4th, subject math, chapter 2, addition and subtraction, exercise 2.4, estimate each sum to the nearest 10, compare with the actual sums. Question number A. So what you have to do, you have to find the nearest 10 of each of the number and add them and compare with the actual sums. So we will start here. As per our first sum, there is a figure 73 and the another figure is 48. We will add these 8 and 3 11, 1 carry, 7 and 1 8, 8 and 4 12. Okay, this is the actual sum and nearest 10 up to 73, nearest 10, 73 is nearest 10 is 70 and 48 is nearest to 50, as you have done in chapter 1, as up to 0 to 4 they go backward and from 5 to 9 they go forward. As this is 73, so it will go backward, it will become 70, and this is 48, the last digit is 8, so it will become forward and it is nearest to 50. So if we add these figures 0 and 0 0, 7 and 5 12, and now the sum is, actual sum is 121, and if we estimate up to the nearest 10, the sum is 120. If we calculate the difference is 121 minus 120 is equal to 1, right? And for example, we will take another sum 56 and 38. 56 plus 38. Actual sum is 8 plus 6 40, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 3 9. 56 nearest 10, it will be 60, and 38 it will be nearest 10 to 40, and if we add these ones 0 and 0 0, 6 and 4 10, nearest 10 is 100 and actual sum is 94. The difference is 100 minus 94 is equal to 6. Okay, again, if we want to take the difference, then how would we do this? For example, we will take this example, subtraction. How will we do? See, 56 minus 38, this is an exercise 2.5, this will become 4, it will be 16, 16 minus 8 is equal to 8, 4 minus 3 is 1. The actual difference is 18, and if we calculate about nearest 10, this is 60 and 38 is nearest 10 is 40, and the difference is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, the difference is 20. So the difference between these two figures is 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. So these are about to nearest 10, and if we take second question of exercise 2.4, nearest 100. First example, 278 plus 387. The actual sum is 8 plus 7 15, 1 carry, 8 plus 7 15 plus 1 16, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. The actual sum is 665. Now we will see to the nearest 100, 278. Okay, as you have learned in chapter 1, 0 to 49 go backward and 50 to 99 go forward. So the last two digits are, as we have two zeros here, nearest 100, so we will take two digits 78. 78 lies in this figure, so it will become 300 and this will 387. 87, this lies in this area, so it will become 400. And if we add them, 0 and 0 0, 0 and 0 0, 4 and 3 7. Okay, and if we want to see the difference between the actual sum and nearest 100, 700 minus 665, it will become 6, it will become 9, and it will become 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, and if we want to see the subtraction, as in exercise 2.5, question number B, exercise 2.5, question number B, first sum is 686 minus 243. The actual difference is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And if we will see it nearest 100, last two digits are 86, so it will become 700, and this will become, as these last two figures are 43, it will become 200. It will be go backward. So if we want to take the difference in subtraction, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. The actual difference is 443, but if we want to take nearest 100, the difference is 500, and the actual difference, if we compare with this, so 500 minus 443, 4, it will become 9, it will become 10, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So let's see again what we have done today. We have estimate each sum to the nearest 10 and compare with the actual sum. We have taken two figures, we have take the actual sum, and after that we have taken it the nearest 10 figure. 73 is nearest 10 is 70, and 48's nearest 10 is 50, and if we add them it will become 120, and we will take the difference, actual sum and nearest 10s. Same one, if we will take the subtraction like addition, it will we will take subtraction of the actual digits and then up to the nearest 10, as it is 18, it is 20, and the difference is 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. These are up to the nearest 10, and if we take nearest 100, so we will convert these figures to the nearest 100. 278 nearest 100 is 300, and this is also 87 lies in this area. It will become 387 will become 400, and we will add these two figures, and the sum is, actual sum is 665, and nearest 100 is 700, and when we will take the difference between these two figures, we will subtract from the largest number to the lower number. So this is 35. And if we will we want to take the difference of these two figures, we will take the actual difference, and after that we will take the nearest hundreds digit of the two figures, and we will calculate the difference between these two figures. After that, if we will compare the actual difference with the nearest hundred, so we will subtract the lower figure from the bigger figure. Okay, thank you.